Hi YouTube! Yes, so this is Farah and I'm finally back. I'm back. So I want to say Happy New Year to everybody. I know I'm very late on that Happy New Year thing, but I was away and I didn't have a computer and all that stuff. So that's why you haven't seen me lately. And I want to give a special thank you to, or a special shout out. Your number one girl, aka Raven. Just want to laugh. Teeny Puppies. Because they have asked for me. They were like, come back, make a new video. When are you going to be back? So I want to say thank you. And I'm back finally, like 1 month and a week after. So yeah, and I also want to say that I made a new account, which is Tiaya Girl. I'm probably gonna write it because I know how to edit now. Which is TIYAYAGIRL. No numbers, no nothing. And I just want to make a new account because I don't know, I don't really like the videos. I just want to start fresh, restart, and make a new account. And all the videos that I like, I'm going to put on this page, and I'm going to make new ones. And I'm trying to fix my lighting. As you can see, I got an extra light. I hope it's clear enough. Yeah, so I am supposed to make a few videos tonight. Hopefully I'll get them done because I'm kind of lazy. I've been in the house since I came back sleeping while I went out to see my friends and all that good stuff, and I was lazy about making videos. And I was also trying to catch up with all the videos because I missed a lot. It was full of videos. B Scott, Gia TV, Karen, China Doll, and there was a lot of video I had to catch up with. And I'm surprised that I haven't seen more videos from Raven. I thought you were gonna make a lot of them, but you didn't. But that's okay, cause I know you'll make some eventually. You'll make new videos. But where are you? Also, I wasn't the only one gone. You're gone too, and Smiley House too. Where are you? Teeny Puppies also didn't make a new video. So yeah, I'm back.